Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. I'm now in OBS Studio using display capture, and if you're wondering how to actually add text in your display capture or your window capture or your media files that you upload your media source and all that. Okay, so first of all, you need to go and add text. Click on this. Okay, click on this. It's not add scene, but add source is add text, and then over here create new. You name it. I'm gonna put my text as like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. So you see this, like and subscribe is here. You can actually drag and drop the text where you want the text to be, things like that. So this is the preview lah. This is the my actual one. Okay, and then the color. By the way, the font you can select over here as well. You can set the font type, italic, bold, bold italic, things like that. Bold, bold. You can do straight through, underline, and whichever fonts over here. Okay. Then and subscribe. You see this? Underline. And then the color, I can change it to yellow or black or blue. Things like that. Yellow. For example, I change it to yellow, it will become yellow color. Yellow. Like and subscribe. Yellow color. And I can also add a background. Okay, I can do gradient as well if you want. Yeah, gradient opacity. You need to choose a color. Yeah, it become gradient. Okay, gradient color. I don't want a gradient. Okay, this one must be enabled. If not, your text will be very blur. And then let's talk about background. Okay, background color. I can actually select a white background and then opacity to be like that. Up to you. Okay, a black background. So this is the way to put it. Your background color. For example, this. There will become like that. But anyway, a yellow with black background is the best lah. So that you can do your background color over here. You can do your alignment of text here as well. Left, center, right. Okay. So that's how to actually create your text in OBS for your videos. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.